Welcome back everyone. Today a quick video about shortcut keys. Spacebar, probably the most fundamental as this starts and stops playback. Control and F, this puts the viewer into full screen mode to playback your timeline. /, if you have made a cut and you want to quickly play the cut, transition back, press / and it will jump the playhead to a couple of seconds before the cut and play through the transition. Middle mouse button, on clicking the wheel of your mouse, when over your timeline you can click and hold the middle mouse button to drag the timeline along. This is especially useful if you are zoomed in on your timeline. In single viewer mode, pressing Q will switch between the source viewer and the timeline viewer. Alt+Y, this is if you want to select all clips on your timeline to the right of your playhead. You can select everything to the right and move it along. And finally the shortcut key that will show you the keyboard customizer Control, +Alt+K. Hope this helps. Please like and subscribe.